Hi guys, this is Ate Zen from Easy Excel with Zen. In this video, we will discuss how to perform mathematical operations the faster way. So we will do these basic operations with shortcuts and some tricks. Okay, so to show you more, let's proceed to my spreadsheet. This is our data now. Let's first check how many line items we have. So we have 2,700 line items. So our requirement is we will add 500 in each of this line item. The normal way of doing it is we are adding a column and then creating a simple formula like this. So equal sign, go to the cell where the amount is and then add 500 and then copy this particular formula till the last line. Okay, so how many steps we have done? Add a column, simple formula, and then copy to the last line, and the last is copy paste special. So copy paste special. So how many? 5 steps. So it's a lengthy process. There's a simpler way to do it. It's faster. Okay? So the faster way of doing it is we will use the paste special options, but I will give you the shortcut keys. First, we will copy this original amount into this column, so we will have the data to check later on. So this is the original amount. Our requirement is we will add 500 in column B. So the first step that we will do is just type 500 in any blank cell of your data file, and then copy and then highlight all the cells that you wanted to add 500. So highlight all and then press Alt E S D. So basically this is the paste special function. So Alt E S D and then enter. Automatic that particular amount is added to our data and no formula can be seen in this particular column or in this particular cell. Let's validate if 500 was really added to each of the line items. So this is the new amount less the original amount, so it's 500. Okay, we'll filter it. Is it 500 in all? Yes, 500 in all the line items. So this is faster, right? You don't need to copy again, or you don't need to create a column, create a formula, and then paste special value the formulas. So just press Alt E S D. Okay, next, how to subtract the faster way. Again, we will copy this original amount into column G just for validation later on. So our requirement now is deduct 200 in each line item. So again, we will type 200 in any of the blank cell of our data file. So copy and then highlight all the cells that you wanted to deduct 200. And then press Alt E S S. Okay, Alt E S S. Then OK. Let's validate. So equal sign minus. Let's go to the new amount less the original amount. So it's 200. Let's validate. Let's check. Yes, 200 is the difference of all the items. Now let's proceed to multiplication. We'll copy the original value to column G, and then our requirement now is to double this amount. So we will multiply by 2. Same procedure. In any blank cell of your data file, just type 2. Okay, and then copy, highlight the full cell or all the cell that you wanted to multiply. Highlighting is Control Shift arrow down. And then press Alt E S M. Okay, so earlier add is D, subtraction is S, and then multiplication now is M. So Alt E S and then the corresponding letters. Okay, so all the amounts are multiplied into 2 now. Let's just validate our data. So the original value divided by 2, enter, then it gives us the original value. So let's proceed to division. We'll again copy the original value to column G. This time we will divide by 3. So in a blank cell of your data, just type 3, then copy, highlight the cells that you wanted to divide, and press Alt-E-S-I, and then enter. Automatic, that particular amount was divided into 3. Now let's validate by multiplying by 3. So the new amount or the new value, multiply by 3. So it returned back to the original value. Okay? So isn't it faster? We can add, subtract, multiply, and divide in a huge data doing the faster way. So we will just use paste special. So paste special is Alt-E-S, and then the corresponding letter for the mathematical operation is D for addition, S for subtraction, M for multiplication, and divide for division. Hopefully, you'll be able to apply this in your data file because it will be faster and it will be easier for you to perform the mathematical operation. So that's it for now. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this to your friends. God bless everyone. Keep safe.